Even the makeup artist at our commercial couldn't do a better job.
I hope she's not watching this.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's already recording.
Never mind.
You did a wonderful job,
She did
whoever
a great
you
job.
are.
Yes.
Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're sitting with John Alpine. Is that your real last name? Or is that like a stage name?
Stage name, yeah.
That's what I figured. What's your real last name?
Perez.
I love it. John and I actually know each other because we met at an actors group, and then we actually shot a commercial a month ago together.
Yeah.
So we shot a Ford commercial, which apparently is going to air in February.
Yeah. That's what I've been told.
And this video is not sponsored by this beer, but you know, if you would like to sponsor our videos, please reach out. My email is somewhere.
Yes, please.
Below. John is an actor, sketch artist, writer, all of the above.
Wow, thank you.
He has a YouTube channel called The John Alpine Show, where he does these like short form sketches that are actually pretty funny. I watched one on the way here.
Wow,
actually.
you did?
Yeah, I
Which
watched
one?
the, because I had seen the Santa Claus one already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and I saw the cuffing season.
Okay.
But on the way here, don't watch videos and drive like I did. There was just a lot of traffic. I watched Getting Kooky Before Spooky.
Okay, yeah.
Which was a little bit longer than the rest of them.
It was way longer than I thought it was gonna be, but I tried to chim that thing down.
It looked like a lot of fun though. I mean, you have a lot of people involved in these sketches, and
Yes.
it looks like a huge production.
It's so much fun.
How does the whole sketch process work from idea and conception all the way to like the shoot? Because it seems like there's a lot of steps. Like, do you write this all yourself?
Yes, so I do write it, and you want me to go through the whole...
Give us the whole shebang.
Alright, so I do write
I'm just gonna sit here and drink my beer while I'm listening.
Alright, so step one, what I do is I just pretty much just go like, funny idea, and if it's like a theme, like a holiday or something like that, I kind of like write down like, okay, what's like some kind of theme? Like, I was thinking for cuffing season and Getting Kooky for the Spooky, since they're like, one was on Halloween, the other one was like on Christmas, you know?
Okay.
So I was just thinking of like ideas of what would be funny. I write down like 5-6 ideas, and then I just pretty much just cross out like, alright, that sounds good. Write up the script, send it to like a friend of mine that's like, I used to have like a other YouTube channel called Bro Beans, and pretty much I got my inspiration.
I'm gonna check that one out after this.
Yes, check out that one. And what else do I do? And then I have to cast these things, so I'm like, alright, let's just hit up as many people as I can, see who gets back to me.
Which he has asked me a few times, but the holidays are crazy, and I haven't had time. I'm sorry.
You know, no worries.
Next
no worries.
time.
You better be in the sketch though. Like,
I would love to be.
Next month.
Okay. Do you have like a New Year's one coming out?
I was thinking about one. Yeah, haven't really had the idea yet. So if you have any ideas for a sketch, maybe you could throw one my way. Maybe.
I'll get right on that. So you write it yourself, and then you send it to your friend to look at and like make notes and corrections.
Yes.
So after that's done, what's the process to like actually get people together and shoot this thing? Like, do you location scout, or are you just like, yo, there's this place like in my backyard that's kind of cool? Like,
before I write something, I make sure I have like approval that I could shoot somewhere.
Oh, so you do actually like go ask if you can shoot?
Yes,
okay.
Because it's just so much difficult, like just getting it.
I don't do that. I just kind of like, I hope no one's around.
You know what? I like that style of shooting too. Like, I wish I could do it, but I'm like such a perfectionist. Like, I need to get like every, like all
That's
the
better
shots.
because it's less stressful. You actually have permission to be there. Whereas I'm like, I hope I don't get arrested.
And there's been times where I did get approached by like security, and they'll tell me to leave, and I'm like, okay, and then you see them rounding around the corner, and we're like, okay, go back,
yeah,
get the shot,
we can get it quickly.
Yeah, so there's been times like that, and as soon as I get pretty much the actors together, then I start looking for a cinematographer, and I have like 3 buddies in mind that I usually hit up.
And this is all volunteer basis.
All volunteer basis, yeah, and
wow.
Thank you.
I hope you got them Christmas gifts. He's like, no, I didn't.
I really didn't. I'm sorry, guys. And as soon as I get everything all together, we go shoot it. I get the memory stick from the camera, put it in my Mac, edit it on iMovie, and put it up on Wednesday.
Okay, so you post every Wednesday? Or?
Yeah, every other Wednesday, actually. Like,
okay, so like twice a month.
Yeah, trying to make
I can
it
do math. What made you get into writing and performing sketches? Like, did you take classes and were like, wow, this is great? Or did you watch a movie and were like, I could do that?
All of the above, man. Like literally, it's pretty cool just because I did acting classes and stuff like that. I was like, dude, I cannot pay for these acting classes, but I want to act, so
they're
I can
expensive.
So expensive, yeah. So I was just thinking of like, what can I do? And I was not confident in writing or putting anything on YouTube until I met these buddies, Connor Gross, Landon Carter, and Brandon Yu. Thank you guys so much. You guys
Shout
are awesome.
out.
Yeah, that's the Bro Beans right there. That's the first YouTube channel, and we pretty much made like 3 or 4 videos, and then we were just like, wow, this is pretty cool and fun, and I feel like we got the hang of it. Like, Connor's the writer, I'm the actor / I'll do what, if you need me to get someone, I'll do
like,
that.
I'm the face of the company.
Exactly, yes. And then as soon as we started doing that, we did that for literally 6 months. Every week, just new video, new video, new video. I just kind of got the confidence to be like, you know what, like, I kind of want to write a script, see what's up, and then I just passed it to the group. And they thought like, hey, this is pretty good. Like, Connor's like, yeah, I can take a break, so let's do this. And then after that, I was like, hey, I could do this. Like, I could do this. And yeah. I kind of got really used to just writing scripts and getting it together. And I just love it. It's like so exhilarating.
Okay, yeah, it's all about like practice, and once you get into the habit, then it just starts kind of coming to you.
Yes, you kind of start finding your kind of like what your unique little touch, like your writer's touch on it, you know?
Yeah,
like
everyone, your own voice, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. That's, wow. He's the man, yeah.
Ellen, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for your job. Have you thought about eventually developing like a full-length feature that's kind of like sketchy? I guess not sketchy and like ooh, that's weird, but like it's kind of like a sketch comedy, but full-length feature.
That's I actually have thought about it, but I don't think I will do it just because I don't know if I will have the funds to do that. Probably in order to do it, to do like a full-length movie, you just pretty much do like 10-minute sketches and just put them all together. So I think I might do it like that, but
is that kind of what you're leading up to with all these little sketches? Will they eventually, like, will Kooky Before Spooky eventually link up to cuffing season, and it'll all just be one seamless flow?
Maybe. You know, I never thought about it, but if anything, I'll probably do a series or something like that before I do like a film thing. 'Cause that's a commitment.
That's a lot to tackle, yeah. Taking down Santa was actually really funny, and I really enjoyed it.
You did.
Do you mind if I play a little clip on this video?
Dude, please, like.
Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, remember, just like we planned, we're gonna get from right behind him and watch out for his sack.
I don't know, man. You're making me really uncomfortable. I think I want to go home.
Bro! Oh, it's too late. I feel him sliding down my chimney. We gotta hide.
John, freezing. Jeez.
This ends now. No, you're going in too early.
I think you broke my nose, Santa. Please stop punching me, Santa.
Get up, Brandon! Get up, Brandon!
Alright, so there it was. I mean, I think it's all really clever.
Yeah.
And the fact that you like pretty much come up with it on your own is amazing. Congratulations.
Wow, thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that.
You said you don't have the next one really planned out yet?
Next sketch.
You do have it planned out?
Yes.
Oh, you do?
Uh-huh.
Huh. Can you give us a little hint? He's like, no, it's a secret. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I will say this. It takes place all in a restroom. That's it. That's all I could... In the men's restroom. Yeah.
That could go so many ways.
I know, yeah. Where am I gonna go with this one? I don't know. You're gonna have to stay tuned, and for this Wednesday I'm releasing a vlog.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's different, kind of, than...
So different. Like, I just did it because I couldn't actually get a comedy sketch together. So I was like, oh man, what can I do to keep the 2 weeks of video thing going? So
yeah.
I just did a vlog. I mean, I hope you guys like vlogs.
So you've set up this YouTube channel, you're doing sketches.
Yeah.
Where do you see yourself going, your career going? What is your ultimate goal? Sketch aside, acting aside, like what is your dream to accomplish?
My dream, huh? That's a big question.
Yeah, no bars held. Like, go full on out. What is your dream? What do you want to happen?
Let's see. You know, I guess I want the typical La La Land story, you know? Like, get a lead role in a film and then just become a movie star. Like, that's...
Okay.
That sounds awesome. I kind of want to be like a Joseph Gordon-Levitt or like a Tom Holland. All I know is I want to be in a Marvel film for sure. Like that's.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I feel like if you're in a Marvel film, like your life is set.
You're set. Yeah. So I feel like even if I'm in one of those, like I'm set. So that's the dream right there.
Thank you guys again for watching. Tell our viewers where they can find you and subscribe to you.
Yeah, definitely. You can find me on Instagram. That's where I'm mostly at John Alpine. And YouTube, my YouTube channel is The John Alpine Show. So check me out, like and subscribe, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
The links will also be in the description below, so make sure to check them out. And thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to come back next Monday for more videos. See you guys.